In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert surface chart in PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide where you want the chart to appear. Go to the Insert tab and click Chart. In the Insert Chart window, scroll down and select Surface from the left panel. Then choose a chart type such as 3D Surface, Wireframe 3D Surface, Contour, or Wireframe Contour. Click OK to insert the chart. An Excel-style sheet will open for data entry. Enter your data in a grid format, with one variable across rows, another across columns, and the values filling the grid as results. After entering the data, close the sheet and the chart will update automatically on your slide. To customize the chart, select it and go to the Chart Design tab. From here, you can change the chart style or colors, add a chart title or switch chart types. Next, go to the Format tab to adjust the 3D rotation angle and improve color gradients and depth for better visualization. Thank you for watching the video.